Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Stars reaction on Sanjay Dutt's diagnosis with cancer. Sanjay Dutt has been reportedly diagnosed with lung cancer. Social media is flooded with heartfelt notes for the actor from his fans. Bollywood stars have also taken to their social media to react to the news. Shah Rukh Khan tweeted, "I pray God for my friend Sanjay Dutt so that he gets completely cured and comes back soon after completing his treatment from abroad." Kriti Sanon tweeted, "Get well soon, Baba. Came to know about your lung cancer stage 3. May God give you health." Bhumi Petnikar tweeted, "Jadoo ki jhappi to you, Baba. Haar mat manna, you will defeat cancer." Kangana Ranaut tweeted, "Giving all the healthy wishes, power to Sanjay. You can do this as you have billions of true prayers. You are a warrior, defeat the illness, come with a charm. Love you a lot, more power to you." Raveena Tandon posted a cryptic message on social media. She tweeted, "Can this year just stop? Get well soon, Sanju." Ayushmann Khurrana tweeted, "Sanjay sir, you have fought a lot of battles, external and internal. Taken it on your chin like a man. One more fight, you can do it. Prayers and thoughts with you. Lots of love." Vicky Kaushal tweeted, "No, no, no, Sanju sir. Strength and more, love and more, prayers and more. I know you as someone who fought against all odds. Only good things must happen to you. This better be over soon. I love you." Akshay Kumar tweeted, "May Ganpati Bappa give you the strength to fight back and win this battle too. Praying for your speedy recovery." Anupam Kher tweeted, "My dear friend Sanjay Dutt, I am praying to God that you recover completely very soon." Manisha Koirala tweeted, "Saddened to hear about your health challenge, Sanjay, but I know you are a tougher. There has been tremendous struggles in your life and you overcame them. This too shall be yet another win. Praying for your well-being." Anil Kapoor tweeted, "Oh, very shocking. We pray for Sanjay fast recovery. May God shower his blessings." Yuvraj Singh tweeted, "You are, have and always will be a fighter, Sanjay. I know the pain it causes, but I also know you are strong and will see this tough phase through. My prayers and best wishes for your speedy recovery." Urmila Matondkar tweeted, "Such an upsetting and horrible news that Sanjay has been diagnosed of lung cancer, but then again he has been seen such a fighter all his life. Here is wishing him a speedy recovery." Neha Dhupia tweeted, "Praying for your speedy recovery, Sanju. Get well soon, you will be back soon." Rashmi Desai tweeted, "Really in shock. Get well soon, my Munna Bhai. Strength and power to Dutt family." Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.